Hello friends, welcome to Enjoy Food and Travel. I hope you all are well. Today we are going to make semolina steam cake or rava idli with peanut tomato dip. Rava idli is a variation of popular South Indian breakfast item called idli. For this recipe you need 1 cup of coarse semolina, half cup of finely chopped coriander leaves, half cup of yogurt, half teaspoon of baking soda, salt to taste and oil. So let's start our recipe. For rava idli, take a bowl, add coarse semolina, baking soda, little salt, mix it well. Now add yogurt, coriander leaves, mix it. Once everything is mixed, gradually add water and keep mixing. So I am adding only 3/4 cup of water at this point. After mixing, cover and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now we are going to prepare peanut tomato dip or chutney. For this you need half cup of skinless roasted peanuts, 1 cup of fresh blended tomatoes, salt to taste, 5 to 6 dry red chilies, half teaspoon of black and yellow mustard seeds and oil. First in a blender, add dry red chilies, roasted peanuts, blend all the ingredients into a coarse powder. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons oil, splatter mustard seeds, add fresh blended tomatoes, saute for 3 to 4 minutes on high heat. Add salt to taste, mix it. Now add peanut chili coarse powder, mix it well. Saute for another 2 minutes. Now add 1 cup of water and keep mixing. Let it simmer for another 3 to 4 minutes on high heat. Our peanut tomato dip is ready. You can adjust consistency of this peanut tomato chutney or dip according to your preference. Our spicy peanut tomato dip is ready. Just keep it aside. Now we are going to make rava idli. Grease the idli plate with oil. After 10 minutes of soaking, semolina absorbs some moisture and turns thick. Mix it, and now we are going to add 60 ml more water. Keep adding water and keep mixing. Rava idli batter consistency should be thick and smooth as you see in the video. When you drop the batter with the spoon, it must be smooth on top and not lumpy. Batter should not be of pouring consistency either. Rava idli batter is ready. It is neither too thick nor too thin. This is a perfect consistency to make the soft idlis. Now we are going to steam the batter. Boil water. Place the idli plate. Pour the mixture with the spoon in the sections of the stand or idli plate. Cover and let it steam for 8 to 10 minutes on high heat. You can also check whether the idli is cooked properly from inside with the help of fork. Insert the fork. If it comes out clean, then the idli is ready. It took me around 10 minutes to cook the idli. Remove it from the steamer. Our delicious, healthy, savory steamed semolina cake or rava idlis are ready to enjoy with spicy peanut tomato dip. To add more flavor, pour some warm clarified butter over the idlis. Now I'm going to show you another way of making a sandwich out of this batter. Take a cake pan, grease the cake pan with oil, pour the remaining batter, steam the batter on high heat for around 8 to 10 minutes or until it is cooked. Our cake is ready. Let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes. Then demold the cake. Cut the edges and make it a square shape. Now we are going to cut from the center. Once you cut the cake into two halves, spread the spicy potato peanut dip on one half. Stack the first layer on the other one and cut into small square pieces. Carefully cut the pieces as it is very soft. And then again these square pieces cut into small triangle pieces. So look at this one. Our idli sandwich is ready. I have garnished with some hot chili sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Enjoy food and travel. Thanks for your time. I'll see you next time. Till then, happy cooking and happy eating.